Battery Wi-Fi doorbell camera. First, please open Wi-Fi wireless local areas network. Then choose it. Enter the password. OK, connection successful. For app installation, you can choose App Stores or Google Play. Press on and off key to 6 seconds to let our Wi-Fi doorbell power on.
Welcome to use. Welcome to use.
You can hear welcome to use. Open the app. Add a device. Choose wireless configuration Wi-Fi, and then choose battery doorbell. Next, enter the password, then press the doorbell call button.
Please configure the Netcam.
Start configuration.
Configuration has been accepted.
Configuration has been accepted. Please hold on.
Network connection success.
Network connects to success. OK, we can see the ID number. Click Done. The doorbell is online now. Let's have a try.